Hello, everyone. This is Nicholas with Homes of Fredonia. And today we are checking out the latest addition to the campus here at Owl Homes of Fredonia. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is just under 1,400 square feet of living space. So just give you a little side profile of the home here. You've got the utility door coming off the side, and let's get you inside. And here we are. This home has some beautiful finishes in here. Some really nice colors and different material options. Nice open living space. And for a floor plan with just under 1,400 square feet, this has a really nice big feel. Nice accent trim on the ceiling in the living area. And really nice appliance package. Always love it when they save space by putting the microwave inside the cabinetry there. And this has some cool stuff in it. Really nice master suite in this house. And gotta love the walk-in pantry, so I'm gonna get you in there. So looking into the master suite there, and I'm going to save that for last. Show you the secondary bedrooms, bathroom, utility room first, and finish this kitchen. And really nice combination of colors. We've got the black cabinets with down below with the black island cabinetry. Nice dark countertops with that sort of design in them, which is a white design, which matches the white upper cabinets, as well as the beautiful backsplash accent that goes the entire way from the countertops to the ceiling in this kitchen. So really good bit of storage in here. Nice appliance package. And I always like to note the amount of storage that is underneath these islands. It's just huge space underneath these islands. And check out this walk-in pantry. Nice transom window for natural lighting in here. And some really nice shelving. So pretty good size walk-in pantry here, which you usually see on the bigger, larger floor plans. Not that this one is particularly on the smaller side, it's really on the medium side, but really usually only see those bigger walk-in pantries in the larger floor plans. So nice storage space above the fridge here as well. And here is that integrated microwave into that cabinetry. And I always love these floor to ceiling pantry style cabinets. These are just huge inside. And you've got them on top and bottom over here. So gonna save the master for last, and heading towards the other end of the floor plan. Really nice nook area here. And you have the accent wall halfway up the wall, which is a really nice touch. And everything just matches so nicely in this house. But definitely room for a much larger table than what you're seeing here in this. And you could put it either way, actually. You could put it long ways like this, or actually have the table going the other way, the width of the nook, which may even offer more space if you have a larger table. So heading back into the hallway here, going to go into the secondary bathroom. And everything matches once again. So a nice large vanity in here with triple cabinet and storage down below. Nice big mirror that comes in here. Nice crown moldings around this entire home. And we have the tub shower combo with black hardware matching the rest of the house. And a little nook for the toilet area over here with a nice, that's a big wide window for natural lighting in here. And going across the hallway, we'll call this one bedroom 2. And so hard floors throughout this house. Good size secondary bedrooms in here, once again, for the size of the floor plan. These are good size secondary bedrooms. And 200 amp electrical panels. So this is a manufactured home, but they are coming with 200 amp electrical panels now. And this is bedroom 3. So I believe these bedrooms are the same size, bedrooms 2 and 3. Just have to take a look on the floor plan in the beginning of the video, and you'll be able to check it out. And getting to the end of the home, we've got the utility room. So always nice to have this big utility room with plenty of space. So this being a manufactured home is, of course, self-contained, meaning you have the furnace and hot water tank all ready to go inside this house. You're not going to have to worry about any of that when getting into a manufactured home. It's going to be all set for you. And here we have the full-size washer dryer setup ready to go. Just install your washer and dryer with, of course, some shelving up above it and a nice big window there. But just a bunch of extra floor space here for when you walk in, and could easily, put a boot bench in here, just area for shoes, coats, anything you want over here at the end of the home. So saving the master suite for last, we will go ahead and head on into there. So, of course, the largest of the bedrooms. Nice spacious master bedroom. And this is the bedroom that gets the double windows. So a ton of natural light coming into here. And here we are in the master bathroom. So really cool vanity setup in here. A lot of storage underneath, 4 cabinet doors, storage under both sides there. And of course, a nice big mirror with lighting above it built into the vanity. So really nice. And once again, black hardware, black cabinets, black trim, shower door trim, everything. So it's all very uniform and matching inside this home. Really nice stand-up shower for this primary suite. So you've got the tub shower combo in the other bathroom and the stand-up shower in this bathroom. And of course, can't leave out the large primary closet. So a lot of space in here. I know that I could use some space like this at home, so this is really nice. And that's about it for this house. So if you want more information on this home or any home that Owl Homes has, feel free to contact our representatives at any time. They make getting information very easy, and it shouldn't be a stressful process when just trying to get information, basic information, especially. What is the cost of the home? What is the down payment that's required? How does the financing work? What's the timeline on building one? What's the down payment? What's the monthly payment? You know, those are very simple questions, and it should not be difficult or complicated to be able to get that type of information and just get set up with the tools that you need in order to build a home if you want to. So that's what Owl Homes specializes in, and what sets Owl Homes of Fredonia apart is just making that easy for people. And we have $2 million in homes on display on our campus. This is one of maybe anywhere from 10 to 15 homes. Bring the family, bring the friends, come on and walk through the homes, get some information, check out the home design room, and see what it would be like to design your own home one day, unless of course you love one that is staged here on our campus and is for sale, like this one. So feel free to call or stop at any time, 716-673-1366, or come on down. It's worth the drive, 3752 East Main Road in Fredonia, New York. And as always, I'm Nicholas with Owl Homes of Fredonia. Thanks for watching the video. We are always posting video tours like this, as well as home installs. So if you want to see a home flying through the air attached to a crane being set on its foundation, or more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much as always, and we'll catch you on the next one.